Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up WooCommerce login for your customers in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need simply to enable the login uh, element or the login feature in your WooCommerce site or WooCommerce plugin. So basically, you need to go to the WordPress panel or admin panel, and after that you will need to search for your WooCommerce plugin. Then we will need just to go to settings and click on setting, and after that we need to go to account and privacy. So as you can see here, there is nothing concerning creating an account in our page. So now we will need to allow the account creation. So you have two options, either allow customer to create an account during checkout, or you can allow customer to create an account in the My Account page. So here I'm just going to save changes, and then you will need just to refresh your shop, and basically you will need to go to my account. As you can see how easy it is to update your sites, etc. And basically now you will be able to start creating accounts in Salesforce like this. Another thing to do, for example, is to start customizing your store. You can simply go to extension, and I'm just going to click on leave, and basically you can go and search for login or sign up or register, etc., and you will find many other extensions that will allow you to customize, for example, these features. So as you can see, there is, for example, the biometric login that will allow you to use some biometrics to login, and for example the one that would add for mobile login, etc., etc. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.